Hello friends, this is Sahajdeep Singh again and welcome to Supercell News, which is my third video. So today's video is on the concept that how can we hack a game. So first you have to just go to UC browser. Search the app known as Lucky Patcher. So just go on the last link, this one, Lucky Patcher APK download, and here we will press on download APK. So I will not download it because I have downloaded it. So I will go to my Lucky Patcher and then I will go to Subway Surfer, then open menu of packages, create modified, and then third option and rebuild the app. So it will take a few moments, so please do not click anywhere on the screen. So it will take about 15 minutes. I will pause the video and show you after 15 minutes. So here it is after 15 minutes. It will take 15 minutes or some less. So here we will go to file. And then here uninstall and install. Okay. So it will uninstall and then again install. So the app has been installed and we will open the app, Subway Surf.
It's hack.
It will really be hacked. So play the tutorial and we will die after 3 times. So So here we want to die, so yeah. Now go to the shop, store, and buy Vault of Coins. Contacting Google Play and
third option.
And yes.
Now switch off net.
And now switch off mobile data. And now just have fun with the hacked Subway Surf. Have how many coins you want. So you can see we have how many coins and how many keys. So friends, just play like this. This was the end of my video, and Please do not forget to subscribe my channel, and please upload your photos on Sagar Deep on Snapchat, and upload your craziest snaps. So you can follow us on Instagram too. So please like and please subscribe us. Thank you, sir.